The students of class plus 1. In the last video I told you about the dot product of the vectors. But now in this video we come to the topic that is the cross product of the vectors. Dot product क्या था? That was a scalar product because उससे हमें scalar quantity मिलती थी. But cross product of the two vectors is a vector product. Here we get the vector quantity. The cross product of the two vectors, vector A and vector B, that is equal to another vector, that is vector C, जिसका magnitude किसके equal है? Equal to the product of the magnitude of both and sine of angle theta between them. And its direction is given by C cap. C cap is the unit vector here. Unit vector में क्या होता है? Only direction होती है. But its direction is given by C cap, and C cap क्या है? That is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. That is the plane containing A and B. And its direction is given by whether right hand screw rule or right hand thumb rule. Here we understand कि how the C cap is given. Let us suppose these are the two vectors, vector A and vector B, in this plane, and they are inclined at angle theta. How we can find the vector C in which direction? Means how we can find the C cap in which direction? That thumb rule is easier than the right hand screw rule, and if we hold our finger, if we curve our finger in this way, that we curve the finger in the direction from A to B, keeping the thumb erect. A से B में हमें फिंगर्स को हमें कर्व करना है इस वे में, तो थंब की जो डायरेक्शन होगी दैट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ C cap. And in this way C cap is in the direction perpendicular to the plane containing A and B. This is the plane containing A and B, and that's why vector C is also in the direction perpendicular to the plane containing A and B. And in the same way we can give the direction by right-handed screw rule. If we put the screw here, that is at the joint of the A and B, and we move the screw from A to B, and that in this way, if we move the screw from A to B, तो A से B हमें एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मूव करना है, तो स्क्रू goes in the upward direction, and that is the direction of vector C, and that is the direction of C cap. In this way, vector A cross vector B, that is another vector C which is perpendicular to both the plane containing vector A and vector B. Now there is another article, that is geometrical interpretation. How we can find the cross product geometrically? Let us consider the two vectors, vector A and vector B, are represented by these two sides, vector OP and vector OQ. Let's complete the parallelogram. This is OP, Q, and this point is S. We also join Q and P. From Q, we draw a perpendicular also, QN. And vector OP is vector A. तो OP किसके इक्वल हुआ? A के, its magnitude. Vector OQ is equal to vector B. तो OQ is equal to B. And in this triangle, if we take the triangle OQN, sin theta is equal to QN upon OQ. Let's take the cross product of the vectors. Vector A cross vector B किसके इक्वल होता है? AB sin theta into C cap. But here we are taking only magnitude. Magnitude of vector A cross vector B is equal to AB sin theta. Because C cap is the unit vector, उसका magnitude कितना होगा? 1 होगा. And A is OP and B is OQ sin theta. What is OQ sin theta? As we have given that OQ sin theta is equal to NQ. And that's why magnitude of vector A cross vector B is equal to OP into NQ. What is OP? This is base of this parallelogram. NQ is the height of this parallelogram. It means that is the area of the parallelogram. Means how we can find the cross product geometrically? That if the two vectors are given by the two adjacent sides of the parallelogram, then area of the parallelogram gives the magnitude of the cross product. But if we multiply it by 2 and divide it by 2, and this is the area of this triangle This is the area of the triangle. Means if the two vectors are represented by two adjacent sides of the triangle, so twice the area of that triangle gives the magnitude of the cross product. This is the geometrical interpretation of cross product. Now there are certain special cases that if the vectors are parallel, means vectors parallel means theta is 0, then sin theta is 0, so cross product will also be 0. Means if we find I cross I is the unit vector along x-axis, I cross I, तो I और I के बीच में एंगल कितना होगा 0, तो that will be 0. तो j cross j is also 0, k cross k is also 0. And if the vectors are perpendicular, तो theta is 90, तो वेक्टर a क्रॉस वेक्टर b किसके एक पर हो जाएगा, ए बी इंटू साइन 90 कितना 1 एंड इंटू सी कैप. तो इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट I क्रॉस j, I is the unit vector and j cap is also unit vector, तो its magnitude is 1 into sin 90. 90 is the angle between x axis and y axis. और c cap की जगह क्या आएगा, unit vector which is perpendicular to I and j both and given by right handed screw rule, and that will be the vector along z axis, that is k cap. Similarly j cross k, that will be I cap, and k cross j I, that will be j cap. And now the properties of the cross product. First property, that cross product is not commutative. जबकि dot product क्या था बच्चों, that was the commutative, but cross product is not commutative, and that is vector A cross vector B is not equal to vector B cross vector A, and that is equal to negative of the vector A cross B. Why? We explain it that if this is the vector A and vector B, vector A cross vector B निकालेंगे तो that will be in this direction. This is vector C, that is equal to vector A cross vector B, as I have explained earlier. But if you want to find out the vector B cross vector A, तो अगर हम thumb rule लगाएंगे तो that will be in the downward direction, and this is the vector D. And vector D and vector C both are equal, and but both are in opposite direction. In this way, vector C and vector D both are opposite to each other, and that's why the vector A cross vector B is equal to negative of vector B cross vector A, and hence we will find that vector I cross j is equal to k cap, but vector j cross I, that is minus k cap. If the j cross k is I cap, but k cross j will be minus I cap, that we will use it later on, and k cross I is j cap, so j cross k is minus j cap. And another properties are same, cross product is distributive also, and cross product is associative also. Now cross product in terms of Cartesian coordinates, how we can obtain the formula for the cross product. If the vector A and vector B are given in the form of x, y, z components, so we will find the cross product by the formula that we will find in this article. Now vector A cross vector B, we will put simply ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap cross bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. As I told you, cross product is distributive also, so we will apply the same method. Ax I cap cross, we will put cross sign, that is compulsory, and we can't put dot here, and hold this vector B, and this is next ay j cap cross and all the vector B, and az k cap cross. Now again distributive law, we will find out ax bx, these two are the magnitudes, these are the two vectors I cap and I cap, so I cap cross I cap in this way, and ax by I cap cross j cap, ax ay ax bz, and that will be equal to I cap cross k cap, and same rule we will apply here. Now as we have told earlier that I cross j is equal to k, but j cross I is equal to minus k, j cross k is equal to I, but k cross j is equal to minus I, k cross I equal to j cap, or I cross k is equal to minus j cap, and I cross I or j cross j or k cross k, that was 0. So we will put those values here. I cross I को हम क्या रखेंगे 0, and I cross j को k cap, I cross k को minus j cap in this way and so on. And now I cap we will take common. I cap is the having two terms, this term and this term. So I cap if we take common, so that will be equal to ay bz minus az by into I cap. Similarly, there are two terms of j cap also. J cap, one term is this and another term is this. We take j cap common and this is the value. We take k cap common, this is the value. Now students, this formula is really difficult to learn, and that is the same as it is given by this. And I cap, it is in the form of determinants I cap, j cap, k cap, ax, ay, az, bx, by, bz. And now I cap into ay, bz minus az, by plus j cap into, that will be az, bx minus az, bx plus k cap into ax, by minus ay, bx. Now in the next video we will perform the numericals of the dot product and cross product.